Leo and Pisces make a fascinating match, bringing together fire and water. Leo is bold, confident, and full of energy, while Pisces is gentle, intuitive, and deeply emotional. Their connection can feel magical, but it also comes with its fair share of challenges. When Leo and Pisces first meet, they are drawn to each other like opposites that somehow fit together. Leo shines with charm and charisma, and Pisces is enchanted by their confidence. At the same time, Leo is captivated by Pisces' dreamy and mysterious nature. Their love story often feels like something out of a fairy tale, full of passion, admiration, and deep emotions. However, their differences can sometimes cause misunderstandings. Leo loves to take charge and be the center of attention, while Pisces prefers to go with the flow and avoid confrontation. If Leo becomes too strong-willed, Pisces might retreat into their own world, feeling overwhelmed. On the other hand, if Pisces is too passive, Leo may feel like they are carrying the relationship alone. The key to making this romance work is balance. When Leo softens their approach and Pisces learns to speak up, they create a love that is both exciting and supportive. Pisces is one of the most emotional signs of the zodiac, deeply connected to their feelings and intuition. Leo, while passionate, is more focused on action and excitement. This can create a dynamic where Pisces feels like Leo doesn't always understand their emotions, and Leo may feel like Pisces is too sensitive. The good news is that when they truly listen to each other, their emotional connection becomes incredibly strong. Leo can help Pisces feel more confident and courageous, while Pisces teaches Leo the importance of slowing down and embracing their emotions. Together, they create a relationship filled with love, creativity, and understanding. In a long-term relationship or marriage, Leo and Pisces can build a unique and fulfilling partnership. Leo's leadership and drive complement Pisces' deep emotional support. They both bring something special to the table. Leo brings excitement and adventure, while Pisces provides comfort and emotional depth. For this relationship to thrive, both partners must work on communication. Leo needs to be mindful of Pisces' sensitivity, and Pisces must be willing to express their needs. If they can do this, they will create a love story that is full of passion, trust, and deep emotional connection. Whether it's a Leo woman and a Pisces man or a Pisces woman and a Leo man, this pairing has the potential to be truly beautiful. With mutual respect, patience, and a willingness to grow together, they can create a love that is both thrilling and deeply comforting. Their journey may have ups and downs, but if they embrace their differences, they can build a lasting and meaningful relationship. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow for more astrology compatibility updates. Until next time.